Hello web world, this is Rob at Kelly Sport. Man, check out this brand new 2027 Bennington QX. Man, this thing is this is sweet. The colors are cool, all black tunes. Now this is the new model from Bennington, the new fiberglass. The whole boat is fiberglass. So they really made it look sharp this go around, not that the other ones aren't. We put some big power on this. This is a Swingback model. Yamaha 450s, man. Two of them. Hold on. Great looking boat. Let me jump up here. Like I said, this is the Swingback. This is kind of cool here. So not only does this particular backrest move forward and back and makes a complete flat, pad bed you can lay out. It also has a rail, and this rail raises, goes up and down. You'd want that up if you want to ride back here when the boat's underway or you're coving out. You just want to come and go as you please. You put that rail down. It just makes it a little bit more easier to come and go from the boat. We have some ski pylons for all your tubing and skiing. New electric bimini. You hit a button now, guys. No more putting poles up and pins in. You hit a button. You also hit a button to lower the arch. You have a height restriction at home or something. Windshield boat, 2 helms. We got screens everywhere. We got a co-captain screen. Throw the map up there, see where we're going. We got glove boxes, speakers, cup holders, charging, phone chargers. We have 3 screens over here. Of course, you have the joystick, digital shifting. This thing's just a monster. Super cool. Colors are fantastic. I mean, you guys got to come check this boat out. A lot of room up front to go off of port or starboard when you pull in. I'm jumping over here, not gonna fall off. Anyway, man, check this out. I think it's a cool boat. Give me a call, give us a call. 573-348-3888. We'll go run this beast. Thank you.